Kuhitithio muthenya wa umuthi areta kana na makiria areta komishona munene ruhonge-ini rwa wongania wa magoti guku bururi-ini KRA kwamuruwo gwake guyuka thutha wake gukorwo endekithitio ni minista wa kigina guku bururi-ini njuguna ndungu. Maya mokite riri githimburu arakoretwo gitiga wira kahinda-ini ka mieri igana na mihituku. Kwamuruwo gwake kana kuhitithio gwake kwanikire mbere ya cirithania matiganite na makiria gukorwo kana thutha ucio kuhitithio Humphrey niranire gutigirira ati ni kuruta wira na kio na gutigirira ati ministry no na makiria ruhonge rwa KRA ni rwakorwo rukiyumiria na gwikurana. Ukiri uguo ni athiete na mbere na kwiranira ati ni kuhuthira technology ya kiriu gutigirira ati Akenya ni makorwo magitungatwo na njira iria yagereire. Maina
Humphrey wattanga mulongo niehitithetio umuthi ta komishona munene wa ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini nirwo KRA thutha wake kwamuruwo ni njuguna ndungu minista wa kigina gia bururi kioya ithenya ria githimburu uria wakorirwo agitiga wira thutha wake kurutira wabici no wira gwa kahinda ka miaka 3 na mieri 7 agitiga wira thutha wa ngaiha gutumuka gatagati gake na atongoria angi ruhonge-ini ruru rwa magoti.
I, Humphrey mulongo wattanga, having been appointed as the Commissioner General of the Kenya Revenue Authority, do swear that I will be true and faithful to the best of my ability and power in the execution of the trust committed to my charge and inspection in the service of the Kenya Revenue Authority.
Thutha wake kuhitithio Humphrey niranire kuruta wira na kio niguo gukinyaniria na itanya ria thirikari ya Kenya kuanza kurogota igoti ria muigana wa tirilioni 3 mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2023 ari ni hamwe na gukinyaniria muhuthire wa technology hari urogoti wa
to put in place a national tax policy and also the spirit of the Finance Act 2023 was to drive towards tax clarity. So that is a basic premise, that we want to get tax clarity, that you have tax policies that are going to be in place for the long term to provide for that predictability.
Gukiri uguo erekanite gukorwo ari na ugi uria wagirire gutwarithia na mbere ruhonge ruru guku Amandi akimwirira kumunyita mbaru meta ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini.
That you have what it takes for this very heavy responsibility. These jobs look glamorous from outside, but in the inside it's different. But we can reassure you of our support, along with what the chair has said. If there's anything that the judiciary can do to make your stay easier, we'll be available to offer that support.
Andũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩakwo nĩ Maina wa Mucwe.